Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Swift Playgrounds installed and iCloud on. Now create your app. Open Playgrounds, tap New, pick App Template, and give it a clear name. Once done, choose an orientation and target device to shape layout constraints early. You should see a live preview and a default content view file. This is your canvas. Make sure code and preview stay visible so you can iterate quickly. Starting here avoids rework, because the template wires lifecycle and main scene for you. You will now construct UI and core logic together so changes show instantly. Edit content view, use VStack and HStack to structure elements, add text and button views, and introduce its state properties to hold user-driven data. Once you bind controls with the $sign, the preview updates automatically, which speeds debugging. Factor business logic into separate Swift files or structs to keep views simple and testable. As you code, run small interactions so you catch layout and state bugs early. You're finishing by polishing UI, testing, and packaging. Run every user flow in both preview and on a real device. Ensure responsiveness and accessibility labels are present. Once satisfied, remove unused assets and optimize heavy loops or images to improve performance. If something breaks, inspect console messages and identify the failing view or state. Revert to the last working version or comment recent changes to isolate the issue. One practical tip: clean the build and restart Playgrounds when previews hang, and then rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.